In this video, I wanted to show you some of the jaw and ear anatomy of a crown mammal, in this case a domestic dog. And this particular individual, as you can probably tell, is a juvenile, and so it's a bit different from adults. But nonetheless, let's have a look. So here's the lower jaw, obviously, and it consists of a single bone, the dentary. That's the jaw condyle. Here's the coronoid process. And what I want to do now is just narrow in on the ear region. So that's the external auditory meatus that you can see. This is the bulla. And what I'm going to do now is just virtually dissect away that auditory region so that we can see inside of the bulla and observe that that's the back of the jaw, coronoid process, mandibular condyle. There is no connection, even in this juvenile specimen. I mean, there is a connection if we get to very young embryological stages, but there isn't one in this specimen between that jaw and any of the ear ossicles. Well, where are the ear ossicles, you ask? Right there. There you can see that's a structure called the epitympanic recess. It's where the incus and the malleus articulate with one another. That's the incus and that's the malleus. And if we go a bit farther in this virtual dissection, you can see the oval window. That's where the stapes sits. And right here, I hope you can see that's the malleus, that's the incus, and right there is where you see the stapes bone connecting with the incus. And now the stapes bone in this specimen is not as densely ossified as the other two ear ossicles. So if we change this transfer function a little bit so it reconstructs less dense structures, there it is. That's the stapes bone right there. So the point is that between the back of the jaw and any of these ear ossicles, there's no connection, right? Those ear ossicles are completely separated from the back of the jaw in this specimen. I'll just bring that back so you can see it. Remember, these are the three ear ossicles. I'm going to re-articulate then our jaw, lower jaw, the dentary, and that's it. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the course.